All right, what we're doing here is I'm going to show the insides of the low profile brown switch of from Outemu, whatever it's called. Now these are low profile switches that came. These are like sample or extra switches that came with the Redragon K89 Shrapnel low profile keyboard, or Red Dragon, but it's written Redragon. Anyways, let's say Red Dragon. Now, the Shrapnel keyboard, it's tucked in the back here, but I won't change the camera angle for that. It has low profile switches with low profile keycaps. Now, someone asked me to look at the inside. So this is on the left is a standard size Outemu Brown switch, compared to the low profile switches from Red Dragon, which are actually branded. I think you could see Red Dragon there. It's not Outemu, so it's actually branded Red Dragon. Now, if you look at the inside of the brown switch, if I can put it back together, it's fairly simple. The tactile bump is actually with the leaf spring, or not. I don't know if it's a leaf spring, but it's like a little plate, metal plate there. Now the tactile bump, I don't know if we can see this, it's really done with the metal plate there. It's directly in the switch, so it's a little prongs on the side of the stem that go down there and activate the metal plating. So it's fairly simple. Now, if you look on the other side of the stem, there's this little part here. That's to act. I think they probably mold the same stem for all their switches, because the blue. See, in this one, you can see that the clicky. We won't really hear the clicky part because of my microphone setup here. But the little sprout on the stem on one side is for the clicky part, and the actual contact is still with some leafy metal inside. So there's one side that's for the clicky sound, and the other side is for the actual contact. So it's still in the housing in there, as we've seen with the brown switch here. So the stem seems to have that little part here to activate metal plating if we have the clicky sound. So I'm not sure what else I can show for this. So that's basically it. So these are low profile Outemu switches. I don't know if this is the true snap spring, or I don't know if a snap spring is different, but that's that. All right.
FuckingTech.com